Hi, good morning. I'm Jeffrey here, your Mr. Pro Printer channel host. So, what is today's topic? Today, I'm going to show you HP LATEX 5-layer printing. What the means of the 5-layer printing? Color, white, color, white, color. So, this is what the new printing mode can be done by HP LATEX 700W and 800W with white color series. Hi, so this is the 5-layer printing. What means 5 layers printing? It means color, white, black, white, color. So by 700W and 800W, the white ink technology, you can see how flexible and how elastic the printing is, whereby with the 5-layer printing you don't even see a very thick printout compared like what commercial UV printer is. Okay. So for the 5-layer printing, one of the function is opacity. What the means opacity? If you only print color, white color, usually when I hide in behind, you will see my face. But with the 5-layer printing, the opacity function, so it will be totally cover my face. And the secondly is duplication of the images. So you can now choose two different image at the front and back. Even under the sunlight, the color will not be affected because there is a middle with the black functional to the opacity, so you will have A and B images from the front and back. It's very ideal for rotate sticker, window graphic, tinted function, and the glass graphic. So it will be very attracted to the visitor when they see that something, why in front I see is one image and behind is another image, or they standing outside they see one image, and when come into the office, the shop, the house, they see another image. Interested? Special? This is HP LATEX 700W 5-layer printing. Color, white, black, white color. So hope you will like my video, and please like, subscribe and share my channel to everyone. Please feel free to contact me or our company as below. And you can also contact our company sales, Theo, Johnson, Lai. Stay tuned for the next video.